Typical morning rush for school. Help us get everybody ready. You have your clothes, right, bud?
Yeah, I did on my phone.
Okay. Lazy helper today. Preston, here's socks for you. Ava, there's your clothes. Right here, okay?
Okay.
You can wear that shirt underneath, okay?
Okay.
All the craziness in the background, and she's just chilling. I was gone for 2 minutes to take the kids to the bus stop, 2. And what you just missed was her chasing me around the house and, of course, jumping from the counter and jumping on up here, huh? But now she's happy again.